Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to turn on post approval in your Facebook group. Follow these easy steps to turn on post approval. First of all, make sure you are the owner or a moderator of the group. Once you are in your group, tap on Manage. Here scroll down and tap on Group Settings. Here scroll down. Under Manage Discussion section, you will get Post Approval. Tap on that. And admins and moderators can decide if they want to approve posts before they are published in the group. So to turn on post approval, here you have to select on and tap on Save. And now on, if someone posts on your group, the post won't be published until you approve the post. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.